Here's one of those things in the automotive universe you can always count on. If it's a Honda Civic, it's way fun to drive. And to fun it up even more, introducing the new 2019 Civic Sport Sedan and Civic Sport Coupe. In addition to the 18-inch wheels and tires like those on the SI, the Sport trims offer super sharp cornering thanks to exclusive dampers, increased rigidity of rear suspension components, and a beefier front stabilizer bar. Also like SI, both the Sport Sedan and Sport Coupe come standard with a highly engaging 6-speed manual transmission. It's the standard offering on the Civic LX sedan as well. You can also choose the smooth and efficient continuously variable transmission on LX and Sport trims. A CVT is standard on the rest of the lineup. The Civic interior is a quieter and more refined space for 2019 due to upgraded insulation and body sealing against wind, road, and engine noise. Driver confidence gets a big boost as well this year. That's because every Civic sedan and coupe except SI will be equipped with the Honda Sensing Safety and Driver Assistive suite of features for 2019. Honda Sensing includes the collision mitigation braking system and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow. CMBS is designed to help alert you to a possible frontal collision and apply the brakes if necessary. And ACC helps make driving on the highway more relaxing, even in traffic. Also standard will be the road departure mitigation system and the lane keeping assist system. They're designed to enhance confidence and convenience by helping to keep you on the road and centered in your lane, respectively. Plus, auto high beam headlights will provide additional convenience on all those Honda Sensing equipped trims. So that's the story on the 2019 Honda Civic's updated performance, safety, and driver assistive news. More videos right where you discovered this one have additional information. Plus, it's all covered in detail at civic.honda.com. And you can experience the new Civic with all 5 senses at your nearest Honda dealer today.